Hi, I'm Mark with Disaster Solutions. We service Maryland, Delaware, PA, and New Jersey. Today we're doing a home in Maryland from a recent hailstorm. Homeowner contacted us. We met the insurance carrier out here. We walked them through the process, got them approved for a new roof, and within 2 weeks later from the original phone call, the roof's going up.
Hi, my name is Brian Rogan. I'm the sales manager for Disaster Solutions. We work in disaster relief where we handle everything from commercial fire, flood, and mold remediation to what you're seeing here today, which is residential construction. If they're talking to us, it's because something unfortunately bad just happened to it. But we're able to take that lemon and turn it into lemonade by walking them through a process, whether it's assisting with working with their insurance carrier, working with the material ordering, color selection, etc., and give them an opportunity to actually make choices to their home exterior and turn it into something that's much more personal and once again becomes a source of pride and ownership and something that they're really proud of and happy with.
We offer a 25-year workmanship and a 50-year manufacturer warranty. No matter what time or place it is, if you have any issues, it's a guarantee. We come back and we fix the work immediately.
At the end of the day, although there's a lot of people working behind the scenes to make it all possible, it's a very rewarding business, and seeing the smiles on homeowners' faces is what makes it all worthwhile.